The defendant, Brittany Marie Brubaker, did in there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of March 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Waiver of any violation.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion?
All right, pause for a second. What just happened here is major. The defendant just pleaded true to a violation of her probation terms. In plain English, that means she's admitting she didn't meet her probation conditions, which gives the judge full power to revoke probation and send her to prison. Would you take that deal knowing 6 years are on the line? Let me know in the comments.
Sentence you to 6 years in prison and up to $1,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. It is to deny the motion and continue with her on her preferred.
She's on regular.
Probation, Your Honor, and have her attend the state contracted ISF cognitive track, remain in custody until a treatment bed is available. In addition, transfer the probationer to ISP and complete the intensive outpatient treatment.
All right, is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right. So I see here that you've been here before for not following the court's conditions of probation. So why are you not reporting?
I just messed up.
No, I mean, there has to be a reason. You know, you're looking at 6 years in prison. When you have a contract, when you're on probation, the contract is not between your attorney and the state. I don't have to follow their agreement. The contract is with the court. So why are you not reporting? Would you like to go to prison?
No.
Then why are you behaving as though you want to go to prison? Because last time you were here, and I didn't hear the motion of Judge Her heard the motion, there was a violation of condition number 2 and number 14 that you pled true to. And the conditions were alternate amended for SATIF, followed by aftercare, weekly UAs for 2 months. And there's to be CPS compliance. So why are you not?
This moment right here is heartbreaking and real. She says she got discouraged, and that one emotion spiraled into a probation violation. In courtrooms, discouragement doesn't count as a legal defense, but it does show the human side of addiction and struggle. You can feel the judge trying to get through to her. What would you do if you were the judge here?
Doing what you need to do?
I went to go take a drug test on the day I got out, January 18th. And they didn't submit it till the 19th. So I was getting more consequences for them not submitting it till the 19th.
So what is the March? You're not reporting in March. What does that have to do with them not submitting things?
I just got discouraged.
Any questions?
No, Judge, I did have a conversation with my client about that being a poor choice and that she needed to own up to it and that the cognitive track they were offering her might help her with better decision making.
And what is happening with the CPS case?
It got closed.
So were her rights terminated or?
No, Your Honor, her son lives with her dad, which is where she was living.
Probation? So is this a good fit ISF? And did she ever complete SATA?
She did 119 days in SATA. The aftercare is where it kind of went awry. What Mr. Garahan stated, that is what the recommendation is from the probation department.
Okay. All right. I'm going to give you a choice. Sometimes I can give people choices. Sometimes I cannot. I will grant the motion and sentence you to 2 years in the prison, or I will follow the recommendation that's been tendered. Which would you prefer?
The 2.
You want to speak to your attorney about that or no?
Yeah. I'll support the ISF.
Okay. All right, I'll deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include state ISF cognitive, followed by ISP. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
I would say
And that's the warning shot. The judge is giving her one last chance. Treatment instead of time. This is what's called judicial mercy, where a judge chooses rehabilitation over incarceration. But make no mistake, if she slips again, prison is the next stop. The big question is, will she turn it around this time? Let's see what happens next.
after she is released from state ISF, a complete intensive outpatient treatment,
All right.
maybe weekly reporting for a month.
All right, that'll be followed by intensive outpatient treatment with probation. And instead of weekly reporting, we'll just do the UA hotline until further notice.
That's fine.
Is there anything else that you need from the court? All right, in this court, communication is key. If there's an issue,